Okay guys, got a 2005 Ford Mustang here. We're going to do rear brakes on. If you need front brakes or calipers or lower control arms or anything like that, I got a whole bunch on this same vehicle. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos so you can find those. So rear brakes on the 05 Mustang, MKD 1082 is what the shoes are. We got this tool kit here. If you don't have one, go rent it from AutoZone because you really need these little clips right here in order to push that cylinder down. So I'll show you that. You might get lucky and be able to do it with a C-clamp, but I haven't had a good luck very much with these Mustangs with that. So we got two 13 millimeters right here. Let's pull those off. Pretty simple process. It doesn't take too long to do these. So here comes one bolt. Especially with a ratchet wrench, that sure helps. Second bolt, grab a hold of the caliper, run that back, let the shoes fall out. Those shoes got quite a bit of meat on them, but we're going to replace them anyway. Okay, we can grab the new shoes. Actually, before we set those in, let's go ahead and run that caliper down. Now, you see those grooves sitting right there? That's where this little tool is going to come in handy. It's going to sit right on top of that, just like that. Make sure that these are up and down when you finish. So our second tool here, which I've shared the pin on it, so I got that tool, or that little bolt in there holding it. Oh, let's take this plate. We're going to slide that over top there. Run it down. Curved side's going to go down inside your caliper just like that. Let me run it out a little bit. You got it too far. And line it up. Line up your grooves. Now we're just going to run this out right here. And we should be able to just crank this down. Just like that. Run this back out a little bit. If you have to use a wrench, you can, but your hand should be able to do the work. Every time this turns, it's cranking down the master cylinder. Make sure that you remove the cap on your master cylinder. Sorry, I should have told you that earlier. This is going to push that fluid back so we don't have to bleed these brakes. So we run that down some more. Run this out. Down. This one's really hard to turn down. Run this out. We're keeping it snug by running this out counterclockwise. Run her down some more. Should have left a bolt in that in order to run that down. Hard to hold on to. You can actually put a bolt in right there. Let me show you that because that's going to be easier for me as well. Throw your bottom bolt in. Remember, these little sleeves have a flat spot on them. Also, if these sleeves do not push back out, you can pull them out and grease them up a little bit. Make sure they push back out. Keep the pressure off the brakes. So I'm just going to run in the bottom bolt a little bit, if I can get it lined up here. Should have done that in the first place. Jeez Louise. There it goes. I'll use my wrench here to snug it up a little bit. This will help keep pressure, or to hold it if you don't have that extra hand. Stretch those hoses a bit, it won't hurt it. Now we can run it down. Back that off, keep that snug. If this is too tight on you, you can take a wrench, grab it like that. That'll help. Whoa, I went a little bit fast. See that rubber? Don't want to pop that seal. There we we go. Oh, she's twisting up on us. That should be spinning with us. Don't know why it's not. We're probably down far enough is why. So now we'll back this off. Yeah, she really... Oh no, it just collapsed down. Okay, so now we take our rear brake. Make sure the curve, the high side goes to the high side here. Try not to touch this area with your hands. Pop her in place. Pop her in place. These springs will expand when the caliper closes. Push in your pin. Make sure you rotate the flat side with the flat side. Like so. Hold her down. Run your other bolt in. Now we'll tighten up that bolt. This one. And you're seeing in real time right now how long this is actually taking, because I have not paused this video. So now at this point, I'll put my tire back on. I'll go inside. I'll push my brakes down 3 times slow. I'll start the car. I'll push my brakes down 3. Oh, well, put the lid on your reservoir. I'm sorry. Put the lid on your reservoir. Put your tire on. Go inside the car without it running. Pump 3 times slow. Start the car 3 times slow. That's it. You're bled out. All the air has been pushed back to the master cylinder. We do not have to bleed these brakes. So please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name under the video for all my other videos, especially this Mustang. And as always, guys, enjoy.